Yeah,
Yeah.
my uncle is there. My uncle is there. His age is 74. Each and every activity is going to write a diary. He is telling to his son, saying, Array, in case anything happened, can you please open this diary? All the things are available in this diary. Please follow the steps accordingly. Like that. I heard
Yes,
from my
yes,
uncle multiple times this type of thing.
yes,
I remember, even yesterday also. Array, there is some financial transaction. Array, shall we write with your own hand? Can you please write in the diary? Like he's asking me to write with my own hand because tomorrow something is going to be happen. Okay. So
yes.
his kid is there, his son is there to follow up the things. Getting the point?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
not only that, Donald Trump, 2 days before I saw, he came to China trip. China trip. By mistake, if I died in that
Yes,
China trip, okay, this is the cover you require to open. These are the things you require to take care. Like he wrote everything in the cover and he placed it in a fixed place and he intimated to his vice president of US, Vance. Vance, right? What is his name? He
Yeah,
in the
JD
news,
Vance. Yeah.
JD Vance, JD Vance. He intimated to the JD Vance, in case if I got killed, in case if I died in this China, okay, tour, what activities you required to do, okay, what immediate activities and so on. Everything is documented, and then he kept inside a cover, and he told that this is the place where you can find the cover. It was a big news because everyone thought that, okay, China is the enemy. Definitely China, maybe something like, no. That is their protocol. Okay, US president protocol. If he is visiting, if he is going out of the country, visiting for any other country, the first activity at their protocol, in case if this person is not coming back, how to handle the situation, he is going to keep everything everything documented and is going to keep it. That is their protocol. Can you please imagine once? What a wonderful system they have.
yes,
Yes, friends. What a
yes, yes.
wonderful system they have. Okay. That thing must be required. That is what playbook. In case my
Yes.
absence, how you require to handle the situation. What the things step by step. Okay. So whether it is a small person, whether it is the US president, process is always same. Highly recommended.